Hey CurlyKin, welcome and welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, my hair is a mess, but we're gonna change that with the Cardi B's Grow Good. I got the shampoo, which is the wash cycle shampoo. I also got the Soft Serve Plus conditioner, and I also got the Booty Length Certified Get Rich Deep Conditioner. And hopefully by the end of this, my hair gets on the right track so my hair can be booty length. First is the shampoo. This is the consistency. It's nice. It's not too thick. And I honestly like it. Oh, it also smells great. It has a nozzle on it so that I can focus it on my scalp, which I love. Make sure I get it everywhere. The lather is amazing. Love the lather. I was also able to finger detangle with it. I don't know where that footage went, but I did get a chance to finger detangle with the shampoo in my hair, and that is a plus for me because we love simplifying the wash day and making it easier for the next steps in the wash day. Next is the conditioner. The consistency is really good. It's not too thick and not too thin, so I feel like it's right there, perfect in the middle. That's how much I put on my hair. I'm slightly finger detangling, which is great to start the detangling process. And I don't have my brush, but I got this scalp massager, and the scalp massager did help detangle my hair, which is great. And look at it just gliding through the hair. Love that for me. Also about this conditioner, it is also semi like a deep conditioner, because when I read the thing about it, it said you could leave it in your hair for like 5 to 10 minutes. So if you don't want to buy like all the products, I feel like you can get like either the conditioner or the deep conditioner, because both of them pretty much do the same thing, if that makes sense. Next is the Get Rich Grow Good mask, and when I tell you that thing is thick, it's so thick, super duper creamy. I loved putting that on my hair. It was so easy. It honestly set my hair up for an amazing rest of the wash day. I'm trying to see what my hair is looking like. I'm like, is it doing what it's supposed to be doing? And it was looking pretty good, so I was satisfied with it, and you know, kept on applying it to the rest of my hair. And I'm gonna just leave it on for 10 minutes and then rinse it out. And I think this was the part where I was shocked at how my hair was feeling when I was rinsing it out. I was like, oh my god, not to feel this good. And I was so excited to actually try the mask, because we know Cardi B is famous for her mask. We learned that a long time ago, and I was so excited when I seen the mask on the lineup. I was like, yes, definitely gotta get it. That was the first product I cared about. I honestly didn't care about the shampoo and conditioner. I was like, mask only. But I was like, why not get all the rest of the products? Because I was surprised at the price point of all of them, because I thought they was gonna be expensive, but they're not that expensive. What she needs to do is bring them in store so I can go and get them at the store. That's what she needs to do. But this is what my hair is looking like after I rinsed it out. Curls are looking really, really good. Hydrated. Love that. They look really, really good. So I think that is pretty much it for this video, you guys. I'll see you in my next one. But make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.